Ruchit Jain of 5paisa.com. Hi, very good afternoon, Ruchit. What are the next stops for Nifty? Because there has been no stopping for both the benchmark indices. Now, day after day, we are touching record high levels. So maybe 20,000 is what you are expecting. Is that so?
Yeah, hi, very good afternoon to both of you. Well, there is no doubt about the market. We have seen that any intraday dips are getting bought into, and the support base for the market is shifting higher. So, primarily, the data still remains important. If you look at the FIS data, they have been buying in the cash market segment as well as in the futures index futures segment. And the combination of these two buys, this is buying in cash as well as FNO, I think that usually leads to such a strong trended phase. They have bought equities worth over 15,000 crore in this month so far. And in the index futures segment also, if you see, then they have about 70% of the positions on the long side. So I think the trend still remains intact. So technically, since our market are at all-time high, retracements usually help us to predict the next resistance or the target levels. And 161.8% retracement of the previous corrective phase, which bottomed out around 16,800, that is coming around 20,150. So I think we still have decent room on the upside. Today also we saw that 19,800 call option writers look to rent to cover their positions towards the end. Since as the market did not witness any kind of correction, so I think we should head higher towards 20,000 first. Maybe tomorrow's expiry day could see it, and ultimately around 20,150 that we are looking for in the short term.
So that's the short term as well as the medium term view on the market. But Ruchit, what about stock specific action? What are the recommendations?
So a couple of buy recommendations I have. First would be a buy call in Indian Hotels. A good time-wise correction has been seen in last 1 month, and today the stock resumed its uptrend by giving a breakout from its consolidation phase. Even in option writers, the 400 strike price call writers had to cover their positions towards the end today. So I think Indian Hotels would see a good momentum in next 3 to 4 trading sessions. One can go along with stock below 390 for potential target around 418. And my second pick would be a buy call in UltraTech Cement. Well, even this stock has been forming a high top, high bottom structure on the daily chart, and recently the stock has seen some cool off from its all-time highs. So if you look at the lower time frame chart, the hourly chart, the stock is seen forming a triple bottom type of pattern, and there is a positive divergence in the RSI as well on hourly chart. So just from a trading perspective, the risk reward ratio is favorable to take some contra trades over here. So you can buy UltraTech Cement with stop loss below 8,200 for potential targets of 8,450 to 8,500.
Ruchit, we'll let you go on that. Thank you so much for joining us today on ET Now with your market view as well as your stock specific ideas.